Okay. So here we are with a word problem. 7.3 is number 33. And we are what?
Not panicking.
Fully frickin' panicking, right? Because there's words in our math and that's bad?
Yes.
Okay.
Horrible.
Let's take a breath, calm down, it'll all be okay. What do I do to start this frickin' thing?
Read it.
X plus 6 equals 1.
Okay. I should read it and try to draw a picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so read it.
One number is 6 more than another number.
One number is 6 more than another number.
Find these hashtags if their product is 8.
Oh.
Find these numbers if their product is 8.
It's not simple for numbers.
Okay, so what's the picture you draw for this?
Variables.
Steamboats.
Okay, we're going to go with
Potatoes.
sad sheep.
Why did
Potatoes with
Make one.
It's a combo of Angela's sheep and or
sadness.
whoever
insanity.
suggested a sheep and somebody's sad face.
Oh.
Okay? Sad face on a sheep. We can actually draw a good picture for this, but it's not really obvious. Here's the good picture. Here's one of the numbers. We'll call that one X. What is, oh yeah, the other one's X plus 6, right? And then what does their product mean?
Area.
Equals.
Yeah, the area of this thing. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this thing's 8, whatever that means. But it's also, let's see, if this is X plus 6, that means I could think about this part as being X and that part as being 6. You guys all see that?
Mm-hmm.
So I could break this into a little square. This is X squared. How big is that one?
6x.
That one's 6X. So what did I find out?
8,
Yeah, I found out that X squared plus 6X is 8,
which is a problem you can solve.
which is a problem I can solve.
Squares are handy.
If you hadn't seen this picture, what would you have written down?
Parentheses and stuff.
Yeah, you would have written down 2 sets of parentheses, right? Multiplied to 8. Yeah? What goes in one of them?
X.
X. And what goes in the other one?
X
plus 6.
Oh, holy crap, those are the same. Why are they the same?
Because you would.
They're the same.
Because you panicked.
Because you do this thing,
Yeah.
right? Which is called,
Right?
No.
Factoring.
no, unfactoring. Factoring is that way, right?
Yes.
What's this way called? No.
Multiplying that. I don't know.
Foiling is this one, where there's 2 binomials.
Distributing.
Yeah, this one's distributing.
All at once.
Okay, so these are the same by distributing. This is the picture for distributing, right? Oh yeah. Okay, so how do I solve this? Max.
The quadratic way.
Okay, we could do the quadratic formula. We could subtract 8. I think subtract 8 is a good idea, like that. So I've got x squared plus 6x minus 8 is 0.
Whoa.
10 seconds.
Yeah,
I think so.
2 and forward.
Yes,
Yeah.
but
Do this.
since no,
Wait.
it's negative. it will
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Oh god. Yeah.
Okay.
I finished it out in my head and it doesn't work.
Okay.
Wow. Maybe we should have done that before you spoke.
No, I
Okay.
don't think before I spoke. Spat. What did you say?
I would really like to factor this. Is that gonna happen?
No, we're gonna complete the square.
And it doesn't seem to. So we could complete the square right there, right?
Yeah.
Or we could use the quadratic formula here. Pick one. Show of hands for complete the square. Show of hands for quadratic formula. Cool. Complete the square is winning.
Only because I don't get to complete the square as much.
Okay. So let's try to complete the square, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to take this thing and what do?
Add blanks.
Add blanks. So we've got x squared plus 6x plus blank is 8 plus blank.
It's going to be a 3 squared.
Okay, so we need x plus 3 squared, right?
And then fill the blank with
That's going to be 8 plus blank.
9.
Okay, so that was divide by 2 here, square to get these 3. So that gives me 9, 9, and 9.
Yeah.
This is going to get ugly.
Yeah? Okay, so I got x plus 3 squared is
17.
17. Okay,
That sucks.
yeah. I really had been hoping that this was going to be easier. Oh.
I guess we'll square root them.
Okay, so yeah, we should square root. So we get x plus 3 is,
Plus or minus the square root of 17.
you can't do any better than the square root of 17? Why?
It's a prime number.
Because it's prime? Okay. Crap. Now what?
X equals minus 3 minus square root of 17.
Okay, so subtract 3 from all sides, get x is minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 17. Okay, so there's two things, right? X is minus 3 plus root 17, or x is minus 3 minus root 17. Are these the numbers? In other words, have I answered the problem that they asked me?
No, probably not.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to plug it into a calculator, we could find it.
What's the closest?
Are these the pair of numbers that they're talking about?
No.
Is one of these 6 more than the other one?
No.
No.
They're saying one number.
But that is the answer.
Uh-huh. But these aren't quite the numbers. So when they say find these numbers, which numbers do they mean? They mean one number and the other one that's 6 more, right?
So add 6 to 1.
So I need a pair out of each with add 6. You guys see that? So this is 1 and this is that number plus 6, right? You guys see that? So this is one of your pairs. And this other one is, so what's x plus 6 over here?
Minus 3. Minus the square root of 17.
Minus 3 minus the square root of 17 plus 6, right? Gives you 3.
Huzzah.
Okay. Uh-oh. I have to write a sentence. Right? How do I add?
Inside the green boxes is the numbers.
Okay, let's try this. There's a little bit of space over here and a little bit of space over there, right? So can I put some words around this to make it a sentence?
Sure.
Can we put arrows?
Sure. Yeah, the point of this is not to have you, collapse in a fit of rage over writing the sentence.
Treasure maps, okay?
Preferably not. So for this one, I'm going to say the pairs are that or that.
I like it.
Cool?
Yeah.
The sentence doesn't have to be much. Really, all we're going for is a subject and a verb. Okay? You're necessarily going to usually need some kind of an object, right? The answer is not a great sentence, but better than nothing. Cool?
Sure.
All right.